every day the crocodile will come there for the grapes, and so they become afraid with each other. When the crocodile tells
Okay, okay na, okay na. Okay, very good. Yun lang muna para at least ano. Turuan naman kayo sa work. Okay, so wala mo siya mag-post.
Teka lang, hindi ka pa naman pinapalis. Stay there. No, 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 no. Pose lang ng pose. Give your best smile.
One more. That's good. That's good.
Dyan lang. Pag hindi ka pinapailis, dyan ka lang. Okay?